Ride Me My Brain by Kasaka. And they're playing next October 24 in Makati, Philippines. Okay, and they are the band from actually the singers from here years ago. He just get home a couple of months ago, and I hope he come back. Okay, Analog Connection second screening show. Door of July. Kasaka, our band here. Kasaka with Jay Dillon. Mismo Mundo Roger. Sound Riots. Sayone. Okay, and then October 24, 2025, live by the Kashmir. That's Friday, 7 o'clock p.m., and the address is 4634 Molina Street, corner Quintos, Poblacion, Makati City. Wow. Makati is the sunrise of Manila, so a lot of people gonna go there, and then let's rock. I hope our band Kasaka going so good. Okay, and we'll continue playing our rock music for today. Here we go.